So hello everyone. Today we will start with a new module that is AI for work, and after this module your productivity using AI will increase. Whether you are handling data, whether you are writing mails or drafting proposals, whether you are researching about a document, reading an article, then how to do these things efficiently using AI. We will teach you in this module. We will show you some tools. We will show you basically some you can say methods how to handle things, and some integrations around the existing apps, AI integrations around the existing apps, which you can integrate and increase your productivity. So let's begin. So we have this presentation that is AI for work. Let's get to slide 1. Now lesson 1 is AI as your writing partner. So basically you can use AI as your writing partner. Here means like you are drafting an email, you have a normal conversation written, and you want to draft it in a proper email or communication email, so that there will be a good impression of yours. But you are struggling with that, how to create it, how to do that. So we have, I have an example also already ready for you. So I have already opened ChatGPT and wrote this prompt. So act as a professional communication coach. Rewrite this email to sound clear, polite, and professional while keeping all the key information, new deadline, added Q3 numbers, CC instructions. Keep it under 100 words. Then I have provided the raw email. Basically subject report, hey, so I need that report by tomorrow morning if possible. I know you said Friday, but my manager moved up the deadline. Sorry about that. You can see sorry, SRY it is written. Hey, it's a normal conversation message. Q3 numbers. So in the salutation also you can see THX, not thank you, nothing is there. So we have to convert this email into a proper professional format. So how to do that? I have written the clear prompt for this. So let's convert this rough email into a proper professional email using this prompt. Now we will send the prompt. Now let's wait for the result. So here is the result. As you can see, subject report, hi, could you please send me the report by tomorrow morning if possible? I know we had agreed on Friday, but my manager has moved the deadline up. So as you can see, basically here the paragraphs are also well designed. Also please remember to CC Rajesh on the email, and the proper salutation is there, not THX is there, thank you is there. So you can convert any of your raw email or any of your draft into a professional email using this technique of prompting. Basically here is the main prompt which converted that raw communication into a professional mail. So this is one way of doing that. Now let me show you another way, which is provided by Gemini. So let's visit Gmail. In our Gmail you have Gmail. So let's open any of our email conversation. So I have opened this. It's loading. So yes, now what a thing has been provided by Gmail is you get an integration of Gemini here in the Gmail itself. Now how it is possible? This is in the paid plans of Gemini. If you are in a Gemini Pro plan, there was you can say a promotion held by the Airtel. If you are an Airtel user, you can get the Gemini Pro version. You can use it for free for 1 year. So you can take that opportunity also. You can see day-to-day news about AI and offers regarding the AI, and you can avail those offers as soon as they are exhausted. You should avail so that they are not exhausted. And the Airtel just provided this at a mere discount, at a mere recharge plan for 1 year up to. So you can basically look up for something like this for Gemini Pro version. But here in this I will show you how it has helped me in email writing and some things like that. So let's click this help me write. So I can just one more. Now I have to describe your, like I have to describe my message, what I have to reply them. So I will describe them. Let me see the email first. So basically there, let me search, write a description of a message like I want to see openings regarding AI engineer. Now we will simply submit and it's generating the reply. So dear Hashtag team, I am writing to inquire about current job openings for AI engineer roles. I recently received a notification regarding a DevOps position at Webcool Software. So it has basically read this previous email and then responded, basically then generated the reply. This is the power of AI integration in the existing applications, as you can see. So I don't have to write this whole email on my own. I just have to describe my reply or describe my message, what I want to write. So this is how Gemini helped in writing mails for me using its integration part in the Gmail section. So this is regarding the emails. Now suppose you want to generate some documents, like professionally looking documents. Let me show you some things. Claude. Chats. Chats, and then we have, yes, Scroify, or we can have basically AI newsletter, professional document creation. So like you can see what, let's see a document using Claude. That's right. So as you can see, this whole document is created by Claude itself. I have to just provide the information what I want. Like I show you my chat, like make a professional document. I pasted the information on which I want a document to be prepared. I pasted all the things. Then it basically, here is your professional document. Let's open this first. I just write make a professional document and pasted all the content of my document. So here basically it provided me a whole document of around, I think it is around 10 pages. So if I send this document to anybody, he will at least read that. Actually, this is basically well formatted also. So this is the power of Claude's document creation, or something like we can say PowerPoint generation. Like I show you the PowerPoint slides, those all are made with the help of Claude. So I will tell you how to make these also. So you can try Claude for making documentation, PPT. You just have to provide this prompt, or provide like make a professional document, make a Word document, make a PPT on this topic. So it will prepare on its own. You don't have to like mention anything except the content. You have to mention the content. So this is the power of Claude, using Claude for basically document generation, PPT generation you can use. Now let's revisit yes. So we have seen AI as your writing partner. Like we can edit email, proposal, drafts, anything we can edit. Then we can basically turn any raw email or any basically raw message into a professional AI polished message. So after that we have smarter research. Suppose you have a long document but you don't have a time to read that, like it's 20 to 25 pages long, something like that, and you don't have the time to read that. You want a quick summary of that document because you have a meeting in say 1 hour, in just 30 minutes, something like very quick meeting you have. So you have to like show about or tell about that document in that meeting. but you haven't read that. So what you can do in these situations, so you can basically go to Claude. I prefer Claude because it has a very long context window. So we will go to new chat, and then we will paste our document which we want to analyze. So let's Growify AI automation report. So basically you have pasted your document. Now you say Claude, analyze this document properly. I have to give a detailed information about this in meeting. Provide me the key bullet points. So I have written this simple and pasted my document. I will just then click this and wait for the Claude to prepare the response. It will read the document. Here is a clean visual summary you can use alongside your meeting notes. Let's wait. Building your meeting deck. Let's wait. We have to wait. So yes, you can see like it is preparing a very visual, like I will read this because it's like looking very appealing, and visually it is like looking good to read. So here basically 400 plus key business context is there, then 8 automation opportunities are there in the document. I can read in brief about all the AI opportunities, then about the key concepts or key business context, like here it is telling about the business, like what they are doing. So implementation phases, the key takeaways, company snapshot, like what is company, then core business case, and top 3 lead with the managing phase. So this is a proper, you can say, a meeting overview which I can read quickly, or which I can just take a look on these things, flashy cards and all, and I will remember this as I can read this in a 10 to 15 minutes also. So this is the power of Claude, where you can paste a good context document and you want to analyze the document properly. And so in this way you can basically better on your research skills before going into or before presenting something, and before like you can say blindly, or you can say before like you cannot trust the AI responses blindly, as Claude is AI and can make mistakes. These you have to properly read this, so that like it can hallucinate also. As I told you in the module 1 also, that AI hallucinates. Hallucination means what? AI can make mistakes. AI generates responses, things on its own. So in the prompt also you can basically write cross-check important facts before relying on them. You can basically use web search tool also in the Claude. So in this way basically you can improve your research skills and all. So this is all for today, and tomorrow we will see data made simple. We will be handling good data sets or Excel sheets or spreadsheets, and asking questions using AI tools or integrations, which basically made easy to handle data and all. So let's meet in the next section. Thank you.